Hello, welcome guys. So now we are moving into the gauge chart. So this is very crucial one to show how much data is filtered across different regions in a easier way to understand. So for this we don't need any dimensions, we just need an expression, the metric to be created. So I'm going into the widget. I just want to have a sum of sales, that's it. So this is the total sales we have and I want to show it in dollars. Okay, I just want to show it in dollars and currency is dollars, fine, and I just want it, sorry, no percentage, no decimals, so I just want to show it in million, trillion and billion dollars. So if the data increases, it will automatically show. Okay, the number is fine. So now it is the 270.5 k dollars. Okay, so this is the total revenue, but I want to show it in a gauge chart. So this is the full revenue. Let's first, I want to show you how to do it in easier way, and the secondary thing is the country wise. So there are total 3 countries contributing this to this sales. Okay, so this is how the basic numeric one, and let's go into the gauge one later, one step at a time. So let's duplicate this. Okay, so this is the total sales and I want to convert this into a gauge. Okay, so the gauge will have always 0 to 100. So 0 is the minimum and maximum is 100. This is by default it is given, but I want to show only based on total revenue wise and country wise. Okay, so this is the total sales and okay, this is the total sales. Now we are introducing the filters also one by one. So I want to filter the country only China. Okay, so just simply go click on the filters and click China and remove the India and USA. So now this is only China data, and in the 0 is the 0, and instead of 100 I want to have the full sales. So I want to have total sales. Just a second. So since we have applied the filter, this will show this way. So sorry, I want to show comma all of the country. So instead of one country, I want to show all of the country. So this way, whatever filters you have, that will be excluded. I mean, this will have total sales of all the countries. It is a simple function. In brackets, you need to write the column comma all of the countries, so that no filters exclusively linked to this country will be excluded. But if there is any one more other filters, that will be included. Okay. So now, okay. So now you can see there is a total 270 k dollars in an overall revenue generated, and China alone generated 117.5. That is a 66%. Okay, and I want to make this as I want to rename this as China revenue. Okay, apply. So I want to have it under this. We want to have it here, and I want to reduce this to the least. So least. Okay, this is the total sales and this is the Chinese revenue, and I want to duplicate this 2 more times so that I will have everything. Okay, So this is China revenue, and let's say this to be the filter I'm going to apply is for India. Okay, and I want to make it as India revenue. Okay, so out of 270, India generated only 22%, as we have already seen. 59.60, only one country is contributing, so that the user will have an idea. So this is the India generating, and China is generating once on this thing, and now we will change this to the USA. So I want to add the filter of USA and remove the others. So USA is generating 33.3k, and I want to convert this into USA revenue. Okay, apply. So now this is the overall idea of, so totally $270,500, and out of that each country is generating this much revenue. Okay, so this is how you need to present the Guage chart, and also you can go with the coloring also, so that for China we will give red. Okay, apply, and for India we will give the green, dark green. Okay, and for USA let's keep the blue. So this is how you need to present. Okay, see how beautiful it is. Just a couple of clicks we have generated. So China wise, this is the speedometer of the total revenue. India wise, this is the speedometer, and USA wise, this one. So like this you can create individual gauges for different regions, different states, manager thing, so like that. So it all depends on the business need. Okay, thanks for attending. Hello guys, so I have created the SiSense full length tutorial in Udemy. You can access that, and whoever wants to become full length a professional SiSense dashboard developer, who, who wants to know all the layers of SiSense, Elastic Cube Manager, the SiSense Server Console, the SiSense web app. So the full length course is there. You just need to go to the udemy.com, and you just need to type the SiSense. You will get a discounted price. So whatever price is here, it will be less than that when you log in, and just create a login with your Gmail or Yahoo Mail, anything. And this is the only course available in the Udemy which I have created, and in detailed explanation of all the things has been done. So you can see around 4 hours quality material has been created, which is enough to go through. So I have explained all the SQL part, how the SiSense SQL works, and how the ETL transformations happen in SiSense, how to convert the data, how to create custom fields, custom flags, how to use the lookup functions, how to do the transformations, how to create everything. I mean, whatever is needed in the ETL wizard, and how to create the dashboard, the bar chart, pie chart, and around 15 plus various charts which is needed, advanced Guage charts, advanced everything, the filters, how the filters works, and how the importing and exporting the data, how to save the files, how to create the ECQ, EC data files, everything is explained in detail. You can subscribe to this and have a great learning. Okay, thank you.